it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys my October Ipsy Bag. For those of you who are unaware, Ipsy Bag is a subscription service. For $10 plus whatever taxes in your area, they will provide you with between 5 and 6 deluxe to sample size products, ranging from tools, hair care, nail care, skin care, makeup, perfume on occasion, and various other things that you can think of. Anything to do with beauty will be in your bag. It will vary from person to person because they do have you fill out a questionnaire and they base what they put in the bag on what you say in your questionnaire. The questions range from anything to your skin tone, your eye color, all the way down to your skin needs and what you're wanting them to send you as far as, do you want crazy colors, do you want regular colors, and all that jazz. So without further chit chat, let's have a look at what's in my October Ipsy bag. Okay guys, so your Ipsy bag is going to come in this fun little pink bubble wrap envelope every month, and inside is the bag itself. This month we have a heart bag that's kind of a dark purple, kind of like a royal purple and little black hearts, kind of cute. And with your bag is going to be a little card here. There's minimal information on it. They don't really talk about your particular products, but they'll tell you about the deals this month as far as cash back on Ipsy shopping and things like that. So here's our little card. Not really very interesting. We'll throw that away. So the first thing that I'm going to show you here are the two items that did not fit in my bag, which are masks. Ipsy has been sending me lots and lots of masks lately. So I've got two here. We have Up in the Clouds and Glam and Glow from Timeless Beauty Bar. I love masks. I have a surplus of them currently. I've even asked Ipsy not to send them to me anymore, but they've still been sending them, and that's okay. I'll still use them. So the Glam and Glow sheet mask is radiance boosting and will even skin tone and energize. The Up in the Clouds is for frequent flyers, intensely hydrating, rejuvenating, plumping, and nourishing. That sounds amazing. I really love brightening masks. I use them a lot. And then this is going to be great when I do quite a bit of flying in December. So I'm excited to have these. All right, next in the bag we have a blush. This is from Lottie London. This is the Blush Crush in the shade Zane. This is a powder blush, and it is 0.14 ounces, so not too shady. Oh, it's in a pan, so you could easily put this into a Z palette if you wanted to. And here it is right here. It's this really pretty kind of dusty pink color. It appears to be matte, and it looks like it would be really suitable for a variety of skin types. So I'm excited to try this. Alright, next in the bag we have a pigment. This is the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Cosmet Light Multifunctional Pigment. This is in the shade Pulsar. Alrighty. Ooh, this is a big container. I assume this is full size. This is 2.3 grams. And it's in this really pretty teal color. It does look like it has a shimmer to it. I'm really excited to try this one out. I do like loose pigments because you can do a lot with them. If you wanted to use this as an eyeliner, you certainly could. All you would need to do was mix either MAC Prep and Prime or Inglot Duraline with this, and you could make it into a liner. If this is lip safe, you could put it on your lips. I'm not sure if this is lip safe or not, but this is cruelty-free and vegan. It is got no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates. It's hypoallergenic. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to give this a try. And the next item in the bag is one that I'm a little bit disappointed about. This is the Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick from a brand called Sugar, and this is in the shade 28 Trusty Rusty. Okay, this sample size is pretty ridiculous in my opinion. It's that big. Like, it's very, very small. It would be super easy to lose this. It's kind of hard and awkward to hold this little wand. This is the kind of sample that I would expect to find in a Birchbox, which is why I'm not subscribed to Birchbox anymore, because I feel like it was a huge ripoff. Now, I will say, typically Ipsy does not send samples that are this ridiculous, but they did this time, and I'm kind of upset about it. I think that this is silly. This is something that I would get, you know, as a free sample with purchase from somewhere. Like, I would expect this to be a little bit bigger and better, you know? But enough about that. This is 1.5 mils. It is cruelty-free, which is nice. I think a lot of these in this box this time have been cruelty-free. This is cruelty-free. I don't think the masks are cruelty-free. Oh, they are. They are. These are cruelty-free. This is cruelty-free. These are cruelty-free too. So like this is like a cruelty-free bag for the most part. This last item is the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light. I have never used this before, but I have been kind of curious about it. I have only really been using MAC products since they came to Ulta. We had, you know, like a MAC in JCPenney's where I lived before, but it was kind of small. It was an open floor plan. They always had really loud music playing, and they were always really busy. And I don't know about you, but for an introvert like me, when you see that, you're just like, okay, bye. Like, you're not gonna go in there and try to find something with that much going on around you. Like, that's why I'm not a super huge shopper in stores. Like, I would much prefer to just buy it online, give it a try, that kind of stuff. But I have been slowly but surely trying new MAC things now that they're at Ulta. So I'm excited to try this. I think it is technically a primer, but I think you can also use it as a highlight as well. This is a 6 ml container, which I feel is fair. It's decent. It's not super small. I could probably get a couple uses out of this. This, however, is not cruelty-free as far as I know, but out of this whole bag, only one item not cruelty-free. That's really phenomenal. They do have a place in your questionnaire where you can specify that where possible you want to be sent cruelty-free and vegan products, and it looks as if they're really trying to meet that preference if you do choose that in your questionnaire, which I did recently when I redid my test, just because I feel like those products tend to be better quality. They work well. They tend to be good for sensitive skin, which I have. So I'm really excited to have nearly a whole entire bag full of cruelty-free products. So that is the end of my October Ipsy bag, or November. That is the end of my November Ipsy bag. So until the next bag or box, I will see you guys later. Bye.